What's up, you guys? Welcome back to Cryptic Crypto, where we are demystifying the crypto asset space. Today, I wanted to get back with you. It's been a while. I've been trying to finish out school, and I'm getting very close, and the markets are back in the upwards direction. So I decided it would be a good time to make a new video and get you guys back on track and let you know the latest in the cryptoverse, crypto asset space. So I hope you're ready for the update today. It's good news. It's extremely bullish. Markets are back. And I apologize for being gone during the entire bear market that lasted about 2 months, maybe 2.5 months. But we're back on the right track, and I think we're tracking back towards the $100,000 mark, like I've been calling for before the end of the year. So with that, let's jump into it. All right, so we can jump right into the crypto market cap. This is looking pretty bullish today. Bitcoin is up a whopping almost 7.5% in the past 24 hours. We can go down here to Ethereum's making a massive move. You can see on the 7-day here, Ethereum's up 22, almost 23%. We've been sitting around the $1,700, $1,800 level for a little while. It looks like this move is coming in pretty strong here. Another thing with Ethereum, we just had the London hard fork, and EIP 1559 just got implemented, which is reducing the supply of Ethereum. So it's burning Ethereum for every block that's produced, making this more of a deflationary asset. So you should see prices continue to go in the upward direction. I'm excited to see where this goes. This is Ethereum is tracking the Bitcoin chart from 2017, and Bitcoin got up to a price of almost $20,000 in 2017. So I'll be curious to see where this goes by December to March timeframe. I think we have a lot of room to move up towards the $10,000 to $20,000 mark. Tether, you know what Tether is, stable coin. Let's go down into Cardano. Cardano is moving up as well. You can see a 10% gain in the last 7 days. This is nice. This dropped down during the bottoms of the short bear market to about $1.10, $1.15. That was a great buying opportunity for this. I still see this going to between $8 and $10 by the end of the bull run. XRP going up. This is at 74 cents. It got back down to around, I want to say 45 cents. But this is another good one. I think it could have the potential to go to $3, $4 this year. Some other coins that I like. Chainlink is a great one. This one actually got down to $13 a coin. That's a great buying opportunity. We saw this hit $50 shortly during the peak of this bull run and early of this year. This still has plenty of room to run. I'm calling for probably $100 to $150 Chainlink by the end of this year, early next year. Finally, Litecoin. Litecoin's at 150. We saw it at 400 when Bitcoin was at 65,000. I think honestly this could go up to close to $1,000 by the end of this bull run. So be on the lookout for these coins. A lot of these coins that I talk about are available in Blockfi. So you can buy them on whatever exchange you want and then move them over to Blockfi and start earning interest on those. I've had Blockfi for about 6 months, and I'm starting to earn some substantial interest. I've built up more coins now since they've been sitting in there. So my initial investment has just been built upon. So now I have more coins than I started with. It's been great. And this is just the overall update on the crypto space. It's been pretty boring for the past 2 months, and I've taken this time, to do schoolwork. And now that I'm almost done here in the next week, I'm gonna get back and creating these videos and keep you guys updated. All right, so there's something else that I wanted to jump into, a little technical analysis. This is the Bitcoin to Ethereum chart. You can see it was forming this nice wedge, which indicates that there's most likely going to be a breakout. Now the breakout could be in the down or the up direction, but we saw it break out in the up direction. And I think that's indicative of all the news that's around Ethereum with the London hard fork. You've got multiple other big news events happening with Ethereum. You've got ETH2 staking. Everyone's going to be locking up their Ethereum. There's only really about 13% of the circulating supply out there. So people are just gobbling this up, and the circulating supply is decreasing between 1% and 2% every month. So by the time December gets here, we may be looking at only 8% available out of the entire supply of Ethereum. So I expect this to keep rising in comparison to Bitcoin. ETH may have a valuation of 10% of a Bitcoin by then. And Bitcoin could be at 200,000 by then. So you can see the potential here. Moving on into Bitcoin, we're seeing, this was the last couple months. You see we're going down from 65,000 here on the left-hand side all the way down, bearish. Finally, in the past 2 weeks, we flipped bullish and we're back on the up. Today we have had a massive run. We're breaking the critical $42,000 level. You can see how much resistance is at this $42,000 level. 1, 2, 3, and even if I go all the way back over here, you can see this green line. You had a point of support at 42. You had another point of resistance at 42, another point way back here. So this is a huge level. If we break this, I think we're going to see some new all-time highs in the next month. It's looking extremely bullish, and this slight bear market has shaken out all the weak hands. So we're looking for a bright future here. And I think lastly, just some other news that I thought was interesting. I want to find this update because I really like Elon Musk and what he's doing here with split space exploration. This is Starship. This thing is massive, but this is just pictures of him mounting this on, and this has 39 Raptor engines on the bottom of it. It's absolutely huge. So very cool stuff that Elon's doing here. Also, it was pretty interesting that he was not invited to the EV event by the US government, even though Tesla is the first EV mainstream company, US based. Very odd there. Pete Buttigieg was questions about it yesterday on Squawk Box by Andrew, and he had he didn't have an answer. It's pretty interesting. Go check that out, guys. I just wanted to give you a quick update, what I'm interested, what I'm looking at in the market. So I hope you found that interesting. If you like the content, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and make sure to hit that notification bell so you can get the latest updates. Guys, I'm going to be making videos hopefully once or twice a week. So make sure to subscribe and let me know what you think. I appreciate it.